Welcome back to Infinity Beyond, where we wander the universe in silence, and sometimes we listen for what isn't there. Tonight's question is simple, yet beautiful. Can space make a sound? At first glance, the answer seems obvious. Space is a vacuum. No air, no molecules. And sound, at least the kind we hear with our ears, needs a medium to travel through. On Earth, sound moves through air, through water, even through the ground. But in space, there's nothing. So is it truly silent? Let's explore. Technically, in the vacuum of space, you wouldn't hear anything. Not with your ears. No swooshing of rockets. No explosions like in science fiction. If you were floating in space, even right next to a supernova, your eardrums would hear nothing. But here's the twist. Space isn't completely empty. In many places, especially inside galaxies or near stars and planets, there are clouds of gas and plasma, ionized particles that can carry pressure waves. These aren't sound in the traditional sense, but they are vibrations. And where there are vibrations, there can be interpretation. NASA and other space agencies have recorded these plasma waves using special instruments on spacecraft. Then they convert them into audio frequencies our ears can perceive, a process known as sonification. The results? Haunting, beautiful, otherworldly. For example, the Juno spacecraft recorded the sounds of Jupiter's magnetosphere. It's not music, but a chorus of whistling, crackling, and deep pulses. Saturn's rings, they produce eerie rhythms. The Earth itself, through instruments on the Van Allen probes, emits a chorus of rising and falling tones, almost like bird songs, created by charged particles interacting with Earth's magnetic field. Astronomers have also taken data from telescopes, images, brightness, X-rays, and turned that into sound. Stars become melodies. Galaxies become sweeping orchestras. Black holes become deep, trembling hums. One famous example comes from the Perseus galaxy cluster. Scientists discovered that waves rippling through hot gas in the cluster created vibrations, sound waves, with a pitch 57 octaves below middle C. It's a tone far below human hearing, but it is a sound, a real vibration, traveling through space for over 250 million light-years. The universe is singing. We just need the right ears. So what is it about sound that draws us in? Perhaps it's that sound is emotion. It's the invisible thread that connects a mother to her child, a violin to a heart, a story to its listener. By listening to the universe, not just seeing it, we experience it differently. We feel it. It becomes poetry. It becomes presence. Even silence, in this way, becomes profound. Because space is not silent out of emptiness, but out of vastness. The distances between stars are too great, the particles too sparse. But in that quiet, there is meaning. Let's also imagine other ears, alien ears, creatures born in different atmospheres under different suns. What would they hear? Would their stars hum? Would their planets resonate with deep, slow echoes? Would their understanding of sound be completely alien? And maybe they too have tried to listen outward, to hear us. This is part of the work done by SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Radio telescopes scan the sky, listening for narrowband signals, artificial beacons that might indicate intelligent life. So far, we've found no confirmed messages, but the listening continues, because even in the silence, there's hope. Tonight, as you prepare to sleep, let your mind drift through this quiet universe. Imagine you're aboard a deep space probe, drifting slowly between galaxies. All around you, stars glowing in silence, but your sensors begin to hum, the faint song of plasma, the low growl of cosmic radiation, the shimmering notes of magnetic fields dancing across space. It's not silence. It's a deeper kind of music. You float, listening. And in that moment, you understand. The universe doesn't speak with words, or even with sound, but with patterns, with waves, with resonance. And we, the listeners, are part of that great cosmic symphony. So sleep now and let the universe sing to you.